So I have integrated Star Wars APIs basically for people and movies. So uh, let me show you how it works, right? So first of all, I have implemented view components for showing the people list and movie list, and to showing the movie list for people, and basically I define the relationship between movies and people, right? So let me show you. So initially, there's no data in the database. So let's have a look at SQL Pro, and we can check the data as well. So initially, we don't have data in movies, and we don't have data in pupils. And here's a relationship table. Basically, we have implemented many to many relations for that, because one person can work in multiple movies, and in multiple in a single movie there are a lot of people working, right? So let's have a look at the front end first. So here is a fetch action. Basically, it send the request to Stavo API and fetch the data from. So let's have a look here. Here we have two components, people components and movies components. So let's have a look at data. So initially there is no data, right? So we have empty table on the front end. So let's send a request to fetch people from the Stavo APIs, right? You can check the data we have retrieved the data from Stavo APIs, and because it is reactive to, so the table created on the fly. No sooner we get that data from the server. And the same thing we can check for movies components. Initially it's empty, there's no data. And we have retrieved data from the HTTP server. And you can see that we have built the table on the fly, right? So now there is two more action for the people and movies components, right? Let me close that, right? So when I click on save data, we save the people data and also create the relationship for the movies. And for the same thing we do for the movies, right? So let's save something, right? So data has been saved to our table, and let's also save movies data. Now if I go for movie list, you can see all the movies inserted in the database, and you can also check the people list. And here we have a list for checking the movies done by the specific people, specific person, and we also have the people work in the specific movies, right? And if I click this, we found all the list of the people work in this movie, right? So now let's have a look at our SQL Pro, and if I refresh this, and let's refresh, and let's have a look at tables and data. Click this. We have all movies, 7 movies right here, and we have people, and we can check the relationship between both people. Person one had worked in the movie two, person one for the movie six, and all. So basically, we implemented many to many relations in that, and also used reusable view components, and we also implemented the Java API.